apple dumpling. Okay. Do is put the cinnamon. This is butter, flour. Okay. And cinnamon. And then put some Mountain Dew or Sprite. The side, sa side lang, guys. Yan. Okay lang. Then, bake. Let's bake it. Okay, let's bake our apple dumpling.